With their extended response and solid low-frequency definition, the ATH M50X Studio Monitor headphones maintain the critically acclaimed M50 sonic signature, praised by top audio engineers and pro audio reviewers, while adding user-desired features including a detachable cable and improved headband and earpad materials. Proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers with rare earth magnets deliver exceptional clarity throughout an extended frequency range with deep, accurate bass response. The Circumoral ear cups contour around the ears for excellent sound isolation and swivel 90 degrees for easy one-ear monitoring. Professional-grade headband and earpad material delivers more reliability and comfort, while the collapsible design enables the headphones to fold into themselves for space-saving portability. The single-side exit detachable cable allows for field cable replacement, and 3 different cables are included. A top choice by audio professionals for tracking and mixing, the ATH M50X headphones are ideal for DJ monitoring and personal listening. ATH M50X. Track, mix, and listen on the go. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.